Okay, so Atomy Himuhim G is finally here in Europe using the same Himuhim manufacturing technology. So we will be exploring or diving deeply to this product so that I could share to you briefly what is the benefits of this product and why do you need to use this product. So in this slide, Himuhim G is actually produced in a GMP certified or what we call the Good Manufacturing Practice facility, where every stage from raw material production to final receipt is carefully monitored under medical grade quality and hygiene standards. So this certification is recognized. Listen to this certification is recognized by WHO or WHO, which stands for World Health Organization. Okay? This ensures the product is manufactured safely, consistently, and effectively to guarantee reliability. Himuhim G undergoes at least three, not one, not two, but at least three quality inspections before raw materials are accepted, reflecting the company's strong commitment to trust, safety, and high manufacturing standards. So you are really actually very sure that you are using a product that is not going to affect badly into your health. Okay, let me just, yeah, okay. And then next one. Now, this slide highlights the comprehensive eight-step process that ensures the consistent quality, safety, and hygiene of Himuhim products. As I've said, every stage from receiving raw materials to follow-up management is carefully monitored under strict standards. Now, I would like to show you the overview of the eight-step clean system. So the process is divided into three main areas: the processing management, quality management, and of course, the follow-up management. These areas work together to guarantee that only the highest quality products reach our consumers. I myself, I am a consumer of the product, and if you are interested, you could definitely be a consumer of our products as well. If you don't have an account yet, I have the link on our chat, on our comment box. So please do not hesitate to do your own account and try our products. Now, I would like to explain to you the step-by-step explanation of our product. Okay, so first is the preliminary quality inspection, initial check of all incoming materials to ensure they meet required standards before production begins. So that is number one. We have the preliminary quality inspection. And the number two is the receipt of raw materials and sensory testing. This is the verification of the raw material's freshness, texture, and sensory properties. And number three, we have the physical and chemical quality inspection, laboratory testing to ensure purity, safety, and correct chemical composition. And number four, manufacture of standardized traditional Korean medicinal products. The production process follows strict traditional methods, ensuring consistency and effectiveness. And then number five, inspection of finished product before shipping. Final quality assurance testing is conducted to confirm the product meets GMP standards. So if you could remember the previous slide, the first slide, this is a general thorough check of our product. And number six, shipping and logistics management. Proper handling and temperature controlled shipping to ensure that the product's stability and quality. And then number seven is the delivery. It is secured and monitored. It has secured and monitored delivery process to maintain integrity from factory to distribution. And lastly is number eight is the follow-up management. So post-delivery checks and customer feedback collection for continuous quality improvement. So to conclude, this eight-step clean system that you can see on my screen right now represents Himuhim's commitment to safety, hygiene, and reliability at every stage of production. By maintaining this structured process, The company ensures that each product delivered to consumers is safe, effective, and of the highest quality. That is Atomy. We always make sure that we are delivering the best quality products at a very affordable price to our customers. Now, first of all, I would like to discuss this slide. What is immunity? Okay. I would like to let you know that immunity is our body's self-defense system. It protects us from harmful invaders such as bacteria, viruses, and toxins. Let's just think of it as a built-in security system that constantly monitors and fights off anything that could make us sick. So literally, it is the defense of our body from the virus. So if the virus are gonna come to our system, our immune says, no, no, they're not coming to my system. I don't want to be sick. So it acts as a protection for our body. Okay. There are two main types of immunity. First is the innate immunity and the acquired immunity. The immune system works in two major ways, as I've said. These two types complement each other to keep the body protected at all times. Let me first discuss to you what is innate immunity. Innate immunity is also called a natural or non-specific immunity. It's the first line of defense we're born with. It includes barriers like skin, mucus, membranes, and immune cells that respond immediately when a threat appears. So, for example, a wound heals or when white blood cells attack germs right away. So, our innate immunity is acting immediately so that it can prevent this kind of bacteria coming into our whole system. Then next one is the acquired immunity, also known as adaptive or specific immunity. It develops over time as the body is exposed to different pathogens or through vaccination. This type of immunity has a memory. Once the body recognizes a germ, it can fight it off faster and more effectively next time. So, if, for example, after recovering from chickenpox, you don't usually get it again, right? So, this is called the acquired immunity. So, as an example of acquired immunity is when we get vaccinations, right? So, for example, we got some vaccinations from COVID. That is what a vaccination is, the acquired immunity. We get it after our birth. Now, the immune system's main job is to protect the body from infections and maintain internal balance. However, when the immune system doesn't function properly, it can cause various health problems. These problems generally fall into three categories like allergic diseases, immunodeficiencies, and autoimmune diseases. So imagine if our immune system is weak, we are easily getting some diseases like what you see on my screen. So it is really very important that our immune system is stronger so that it can fight off all the viruses and the bacteria even before they come into our system. And that is why I am sharing you the information about Hemohim G, because Hemohim G is known for strengthening our immunity or immune system. So, I'm going to give you a short explanation about the allergic diseases. These occur when the immune system overreacts to harmless substances. So, allergic diseases can be like the pollen from the food or from the dust. So, instead of ignoring these substances, the body mistakenly attacks them, causing inflammation and allergic symptoms. So, some example of allergic reactions are allergic rhinitis, runny nose, itchy eyes, some hives, asthma, or eczema. So this itchy, inflamed on the skin. And actually, there were some testimonials from other people who has taken Hemohim G about their eczema, and their eczema has been improved. Maybe next time I will be asking someone to share their testimonial about Hemohim G. Then I would also discuss with you what is autoimmune disease. So these occur when the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own cells, thinking they are foreign. So it leads to chronic inflammation and tissue damage. So some examples are lupus, which affects multiple organs. We also have the rheumatoid arthritis, Crohn's disease, Graves' disease, diabetes, and so on and so forth. Okay. And to sum it up, allergies is overreaction, immunodeficiency it's underreaction, and autoimmune disease it's the misdirected reaction. So all these conditions show how vital it is for the immune system to stay balanced and not too weak, not too strong. So our immune system has to be balanced and so that it could fight off these bacteria. Okay. Now, how do functional health supplements like Hemohim G strengthen our immune system? Functional health supplements strengthen the immune system by, first of all, activating and regulating immune cells, helping the body identify and remove harmful or abnormal cells, and reducing unwanted immune reactions like allergies. Altogether, they support balanced immunity and improve overall health quality of life. By the way, guys, if you have any questions via our Facebook Live, please do not hesitate to, yes, add it on our chat. Uy, sorry, to add it on our chat on Facebook, okay? And also in Zoom, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to put it on our chat. And later on, I will be checking all the messages, or if you want, you can also private message me later on. And after the live, I will be able to respond to all the inquiries, okay? So, um, Hemohim G herbal extracts. These are the main ingredients of our Hemohim G. We have the Angelica sinensis, Ligusticum schwansong, and Paeonia lactiflora. So I will be discussing to you the benefits of these ingredients one by one. So let us start with Angelica sinensis. So as I've told you guys a while ago when we were starting the live, all our products are organic, so we are not using any harmful chemicals to our products. And as you can see, our ingredients are plant-based, flower-based. Okay, so don't worry if you are really looking into using something or consuming something that is organic. So we have it all for you available. So Angelica sinensis is the roots are used as a medicinal ingredient. It is known through its use in Oriental medicine, was historically regarded highly as medicinal herb, especially in Korea and China. It promotes blood circulation to help combat anemia and thromboembolic arthritis and boost our immunity. Okay. And next one, we have the Ligusticum chuanchong. I don't know if I pronounce it right in Chinese, but I'm trying. So it has antibacterial properties. It improves the blood circulation. It relieves pain. So for people who are always tired with their work and they're having a lot of, shoulder pain, back pain, this is really a good product for you to try, guys. And it helps against irregular periods, menstrual cramps, after pains and dizziness. I myself, I've been also suffering with irregular periods, and sometimes I am having menstrual cramps. So actually, the recommended use of Hemohim G is 2 times a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. But if I feel that my menstrual cramp is really very high, I take at least four Hemohim G, and then the pain, it's not going away, but it decreases. Okay. So again, it will depend on your body as well. And the next one is the Paeonia lactiflora. So the roots are used as a medicinal ingredient. It has antibacterial properties. It relieves cramps and pain caused by anemia. It helps with irregular period, and it also nourishes the bloods. All right. So those are our main ingredients. And now I would like to show you the effectiveness of Hemohim G. So The effectiveness of Hemohim G has been scientifically verified through research and testing. Hemohim G is formulated from a combination of herbal plants that are known for supporting the immune system and overall vitality. So the confirmation of the efficacy of each herbal plant. So each herbal ingredient used in Hemohim G was actually individually tested to confirm its beneficial effects. Researchers evaluated how each plant contributes to boosting immunity, improving energy, and protecting the body from stress or fatigue. So I know most of us, because we are very hardworking, we are experiencing fatigue. So, guys, I really advise you, even though you are not experiencing fatigue, sometimes we think that we're healthy, but when we do a full check, a yearly full check with our body, then we get some, kind of sickness and stuff. So it's always better to protect ourselves first before the sickness comes. Okay. And health supplements like Hemohim G could actually help us better our health functions. So this ensures that every ingredient has a proven functional role before being included in the formula. So each herb wasn't just chosen for tradition, because as you've seen, yeah, those are some Chinese medicinal herb and so on. They were not actually chosen for tradition, but they were scientifically validated for its health benefits. Okay? So who took the research? So where did we get the research? Research came from the KBH Research Institute. They conducted the studies to analyze the index components. So the key active compounds responsible for Hemohim G's effectiveness. So these studies helped identify how these components interact to support immune cell activity and improve body functions. So this step confirms that the product works not by chance, but through precise scientific formulation. So guys, if you wanted to, for example, if you are curious about this product and you wanted to know more information about this, when you become a member of Atomy, we have what we call the channel Atomy, wherein you will be able to access it by logging in with your personal account, and you will see all the documentations about our products, about our system, ready for you for free. So if you are interested, you can make your own account and try to check all our documentations. All right. Oh, sorry. Yes. So now I would like to inform you, who is Atomy Hemohim G recommended for. So Atomy Hemohim G is recommended for people who want to strengthen their immune system. So for people with weak immunity and would like to improve overall vitality. It's suitable for a wide range of individuals, including people, as I've said, people with weak immunity, those who often catch colds or feel easily fatigued, busy professionals or students who experience stress, irregular meals, or lack of sleep, middle-aged and elderly individuals to support declining immune function and maintain energy levels, and those who are recovering from illness or surgery to help restore strength and resilience, active individuals or athletes who need faster recovery and sustained stamina, and anyone wanting to maintain a good health as a daily supplement for immune balance and protection. So basically, Hemohim G is ideal for anyone who wants to stay strong, energized, and protected, especially those with so busy lifestyles, low immunity, or increased physical and mental stress. So later on, guys, I will be showing you how to use this product. But now I would first like to let you know again that here in Belgium, we have an official Atomy Education Center. So the name of our official Atomy Education Center here in Belgium is called Atomy Beautiful Center in Overijse. So the address is Duisburgse Steenweg 149A 3090 Overijse. So I am the center manager of a beautiful center Overijse, and I will be asking all the questions you may have. You can also make an appointment to visit our education center to see all our products available, to try them, to feel them, to test them, before even buying them online. Okay, so I will be so glad to welcome you guys at our education center and let you explore our amazing Atomy absolute price and absolute quality products. So I'm just gonna stop sharing for now and I will just check. Okay, yes, I will just check some comments if we have. Let's see. Okay, awesome. Thank you, Laura. She said, thank you for explanation and she will actually buy it, okay? And yes, for those who doesn't have an account yet, please, yeah, if you want to make your account, we have our link here. And okay, there you go. Um, I will just give me just 1 second. I will just get the Himohim because I wanted to show you how to take this product. Just 1 second, and I'm just gonna get my water. I'm back, guys. So, this is our Atomy Hemohim G. Okay, so as I've said, the recommended use for this product is twice daily, one in the morning and one in the evening. Okay. And if you purchase this, one box consists of 60 pieces. So basically, if you will take it two times a day, morning and evening, it will give you a supply for 1 month. Okay, 60 pieces. And the price or the cost of this product is 105 euros. So how will you take this one? It's very easy. So it's individually packed in a sachet and you just have to fold it like this, okay, forward and fold it also backward, so it's even easier for you to open it and then tear it just like this. Okay, very important, if you are taking our Atomy MMG, you have to have water with you, so you can first take water before taking the MMG, a sip like that, and you just have to consume it as it is. Yeah. After after consuming it from the sachet, please drink water. If you can drink the full yeah water in a glass, it's very good. Hmm. Yeah. So there you go, guys. Thank you very much again for investing your time in, supporting us and listening to us for this presentation. It really means a lot to us.